If you live stream or podcast like me, then you know that Ecamm is the GOAT when it comes to live streaming and has some of the best live stream countdown. So I decided to challenge myself to see if I couldn't create my own custom Ecamm live stream countdown in Canva. Let's see if I can make this happen. Here's what we're going to need for this project. We're going to need either a video camera or your phone to record 30 seconds to 1 minute of yourself doing productivity work. We'll need Canva to find the elements for the timer and to create the timer itself. Also, we're going to need to use a separate video editor program like CapCut or whatever video editing program you have to use the green screen Chroma key effect. I'll explain this later in the video. And last, we'll use Canva to create and put a colored layer over the productivity video, which is just a way of disguising you in the video. So the first thing we need to do is record a productivity video. This is a video of you doing work on screen. You don't have to look at the camera, but our countdown that we create is going to be 1 minute long. So you need to record a video of you doing work on screen for 1 minute. And here's my productivity video. As you can see, we don't have to worry about, again, looking at the camera, but you just want to record it and make it look like you're looking at work. Of course, I'm speeding this up just to save us time. We want to just record this for at least 1 minute, or if you got a countdown timer for less, 30 seconds or so, just want to record your productivity video to match the video time. All right, so now in Canva, we want to upload our productivity video, but we want to create a video on the project screen. So in Canva, we're just going to go to select videos, and then we're going to select YouTube video, and we'll just do a blank one. Wait for that to load. Now I've already uploaded my productivity video, but what you want to do is go ahead and upload your productivity video. Let me just slide me out of the way here. And so what we're gonna do is again, just go to upload and upload your video. Like I said, I've already uploaded mine, which is here. And we're gonna just throw this on the screen. That the same size. I'm going to set this video as background. And so if you notice in the Ecamm Livestream Countdown, it seems like they have like a color cover over the countdown, and so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go to elements and just select the shape. We actually will select square. And we're going to cover our screen with this. We're going to cover the entire screen with this. But what we want to do is we want to make it transparent so that you can see me through it. And I'm going to, now you can select whatever color you like. I'm going to select blue because I think that looks nice. And we're just going to fill the screen. And there's our shell over, or our cover over our productivity video. And so that right there is all we're going to do for now for our productivity video. So now what we want to do is we want to create our countdown timer. And in this, we're going to also do this in Canva, but we got to search for it in Canva. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so in Canva, we're going to add a page to our project screen, and for our circle, we want to search for animated. As you can see, I've already done that. We want to search for animated circle, and there's a few in here. Oh, we want graphics. We're going to go to graphics and animated circle, and as you can see, there are a few here. There's a few that caught my eye. Now, let's go back to our productivity video. So here's productivity video. So you want to pick a color that's going to be seen over this video. So you don't want a dark color, or you don't want a color that's going to blend in with the colors on your screen. So I would suggest you select white And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna select a white circle one, and like I said, you can go through here and find one that you like. And so we're gonna go to our new page in our project screen, and we want to change this to either green, chroma key green, or you want to do it as a blue. I would just do the chroma key green, and but this is the green that we're going to eliminate in our video editing program. That's why we need the chroma key effect, which we'll show you here in a moment. And so let me just move this over here, and now we're going to throw our circle on the screen. We just want to center this. Okay, that's centered. And we want to add some text to this. And I'm just going to add like live stream starting in 1 minute. And so that's what we're going to add on the screen for this. And again, this is going to be our countdown timer. All right, so we're going to go to text, and we're just going to add this to the screen. We're going to have two separate fonts. One's going to be our timer, and one's going to be our live stream starting. And so I'm going to select, let's see, I'm going to do that in Aramo, and this is going to be my time. And I'm going to do this text in white because I want to be able to see it on top of my productivity screen, or my productivity video, I'm sorry. And so we're just going to type live stream. Let's see, I'll do all caps. Live stream starting in, and we'll leave that. Let's change that to white. And we want to make this bigger, of course. So I want the time to stand out. I want that to be much bigger than our live stream starting. And just want to center this. We're going to change this to white. All right. So what we're going to have to do is, because we're doing a custom countdown, and I searched for timers in the elements. I think they have like 30 seconds. I was trying to find a minute. It was hard for me to find a minute, so that's why I went ahead and did this custom. But so what we're gonna have to do, because 1 minute of course represents 60 seconds, we're gonna have to create 60 of these screens. Okay, we're gonna create 60 of these screens because it's counting down from 1 minute down to 0, of course. So we're gonna create 60 of these for our countdown. So we're just going to pull it up on the screen, and we're going to copy this and create 60 of them. And of course it's counting them for us, so don't have to worry about going over. We're at 55. How many we got? Okay, we got 63, so let's get rid of some of these. Okay, I believe that's what we need because we already have a screen up there, so that should be 60. So that's 60. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to change the time, and I guess I need to learn a hack to be able to change all of these at the same time in Canva. But however, what we're gonna do, okay, that's 1 minute. So now we're gonna go to our next one, and this is going to be nine. I want to just pause the video right here and just state that this Canva portion of creating the timer or the countdown timer is the most tedious part of this project. This is one that's going to take the most time, but I believe you'll be pleased with the results. And so we just got to go through this and count down from 59 all the way down to 0. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll speed this up so that, of course, you don't have to see me go through all of this. All right, and here we go to the last of the last with the countdown. All right, so of course we're counting again from 1 minute down to 0, and this is our last one. And let's just make sure we got them all. So we're gonna put them all up here on the screen. Of course, here's 0. Just throw me here in the corner. All right, so there we go. 0, 59, 58, 57, 56, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 58, 59. All right, you just, like I said, you just want to double check, make sure you got them all in there. Uh-oh, accidentally moved one. There we go. Just want to make sure you got them all in there. We have them all in there. Okay. All right, so now that we have all of these verified, all of our seconds, our countdown seconds verified, now we need to change these because they are 8.4 seconds long each. We want to change these, well, some kind of way it switched to 12.1 seconds. We want to change these to 1 second each. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and we're just going to do this here. We're going to say 1.0, and then we're going to do apply to all. Now I know my productivity video is there, so I'll change that back to 1 minute. But to save time, we just select this, and it changes all of them to 1 second. Okay, so here's our countdown timer. So if we watch it, there it is. That's our live stream counting down. So it's doing exactly what we want it to do. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to download our 1 second videos, but we'll download them all together to make it one video so that it shows up as one video. So we'll just go up here and we'll select which ones we want to download. And we won't do our first one because that's our productivity video. So we're going to do 2 through 62. We'll download them all. Okay. We'll just hit done. And we don't want to select this download pages as separate files, but we want to download them all as one video. So if we don't select that, it's going to download them all as one video. That way it just shows up. It looks like it's just counting down. So after we download our video, then we're going to upload this into our video editing program so that we can chroma key our green background so that it can remove it from the video. And so we'll now go to our video editing program to upload our countdown and also our productivity video. All right, so I'm in my video editing program and I have uploaded my productivity video and my countdown video. I've uploaded them both into the program. And so I want to just kind of explain about the chroma key for those that may not know about the chroma key. So when we do the chroma key effect, it's going to get rid of this green screen. And as you can see, when I move it on top of my video, it actually covers my video. So there I am here, but the Chroma key on top of it's like layered. It's a layer, of course, on top of my video. It covers me up. Now in Canva does have a green screen that you can remove feature, but it doesn't work as good. And so that's why I didn't suggest using Canva. That's why I suggest using your own video editing program, because the feature in Canva doesn't work that good. Hopefully they get that maybe improved. But for now, like I said, just use any video editing program. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the video effects, and I'll go ahead and put this on top of my video. And it looks like, let's see, it's not perfect. However, we'll just move it here. And so we will just, so I'll show you what we'll do with that, because it's like I'm missing a second or so, but I'll show you what we'll do with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the Chroma key feature, and because it's green, so I'm going to select the green, and when I throw it into this countdown, it's going to pretty much get rid of it, and there it goes. It's gone. And so you may have to play around with the feature just to make sure that it eliminates all of it. And as you can see, it still showed some in there. So if I move that up, it gets rid of all of it. And now all we got is just the countdown that's over my face, which is perfect. And that's what I wanted. Now you can adjust it. Like if I want to move this perfectly over my head, I can do that, right? Yeah, so I can move that around just so that it's perfect. Okay. Let's see, there. All right, so now let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna start the video, and there it is with the countdown. Fill in that little gap. I got a little gap there, so I'm just gonna copy. I'm just gonna sit that there. We're done with that. Just gonna copy that. That's a little piece of video. I'm just going to throw that in there like so. And you won't even be able to tell, I'm sure. Let's back that up. Actually, we don't need that. Go ahead and put that there. There we go. So there's our countdown. And so we're about ready to publish this, so that you can see the finished product. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we just want to add some music to this. And so hopefully you got some nice music that you can add to it. But we're going to add some music to this, and we'll let you see and hear the finished product once we add some music to it. All right, so now I'm in my live stream application. This is StreamLabs Talk Studio, and I've added music to my live stream intro, and now I've uploaded it to my live stream application, and I set it to the intro so that now when I start my live stream, it'll play my countdown timer. So let's see what the finished product looks like. So I'll just hit play. And there it goes. It actually looks pretty good. But there you have it, a custom live stream countdown for your live streams. So there you go. I know it's not Ecamm, but it looks I think it looks fairly decent. But hey, if this video was helpful for you, go ahead and like the video. Also share it. Also, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when we upload a new amazing video just like this one. Hey, I appreciate you tuning in and watching this video, and we'll see you all in the next one.